Alrighty, sorry about that. Unfortunately, I'm having to use my actual digital camera today instead of our video camera. We have a video camera that we bought not long ago, but I have yet to figure out how to upload everything from the computer to it, but I do know how to use this one. So anyway, this may be a couple of different videos. It may take up to 3 videos to finish this table. I'm not sure, but anyway, we are working on that, getting that fixed, so please just bear with me. And maybe next video too, I'll have an actual haircut. So anyway, I already have this glued up, and I actually, joining these together, I already have all my plugs made. I don't know if you can see in here or not. Let me see the camera there, in the light here. I actually draw boring these together. I don't know if you can see in this light or not, but the holes, I don't know if you can see really good or not, but the hole is actually offset. And I've done that on purpose because what I did, I drilled the hole in here first, then I stuck that in there and I marked where it goes, and then you actually pull it back out and you drill the hole a little bit offset. That's why whenever it comes together and you have to drive a tapered peg in, it will actually help pull it together. So anyway, that's what I've done. So now that we have that, I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the tip of this peg here. But first, since I've done that, I'm going to use something almost like a reamer to help get that pulled over real quick. This is a little makeshift one here, but it'll do for this purpose. I'll put a little glue on my pegs. And you know, really, the way I've done this, you could do this table without any glue and it would still hold. Oh yeah, perfect. Do it till it bottoms out. You don't want to, I think that's all we got there. And I'll cut the pegs off later on. So I'm going to leave the pegs long for right now. And this is called draw boring. Like I say, it forces the mortise and tenon to a tighter fit. Alrighty. But one thing about draw boring, you got to make sure that you offset the hole the proper way. Because if I offset it the other way, instead of drawing it together, it actually pushes itself apart and it would cause a bigger gap. And also on purpose, my sides and my front and my back, I'm putting a little bit of an offset in there. And that's, you know, you don't have to, but it's for decorative purposes. And also that also let me cheat a little bit for strength. That kept the mortise from being too close to the edge. And with this brittle lumber, because reclaimed lumber can be brittle at times, so I didn't want to risk chipping anything out. And like what I said, once again, this is almost like doing a timber frame house. In fact, a lot of the same joints. Think of a timber frame house as just a huge piece of furniture, or a piece of furniture as a small timber frame house, because a lot of the methods, these methods go back literally thousands of years. I mentioned in one of my videos that the mortise and tenon joint, they were actually found in some Egyptian tombs, the mortise and tenon joint. So, and anyway, this right here, see, I'm not going to let me put a little bit more glue on this. It's awful warm out today and that glue's drying pretty good. And I really wouldn't have to glue this, but like I say, I'd rather be safe than sorry. One thing about reclaimed lumber, once you do the finish work on it, all you really have to do is do a clear finish and not really have to stain it. It turns out absolutely beautiful. You can't take new lumber and get the same character as you do with reclaimed. And this will be something around for generations to come. And be easy with working these joints. Oh yeah. Switch mallets here. Right there. Right there. Little glue squirting out, that's no big deal. Do a little finagling here. Like I say, I will drill and peg from the sides there because this can never come apart this way. No matter how much you pull or squeeze, that's the beauty and the strength of a dovetail joint. So anyway, see the camera here. This right here is just the front of the table, and I will finish up the rest and post a picture of the final product on this. And like I said, this right here is actually going to be the top. There's going to be a very, very thick top. So we'll see how it all comes together either on the next video or the final picture. But anyway, this just gives you an idea of what goes into this mortise and tenon table. And I hope you enjoy. Until next time, this is Willie Ellis with Ellis Brothers Builders. Thank you.